Welcome to DelftStack. I'll show you how to fix FPS drops in Roblox and make your gameplay smoother on Windows PCs. First, open Roblox and press the Escape key on your keyboard. Go to Settings and find Graphics Mode. Change it from Automatic to Manual. After that, lower the graphics quality bars. Reducing graphics settings lowers the load on your computer and helps increase FPS during gameplay. Next, try lowering your screen resolution in Windows settings. A lower resolution makes Roblox easier to render and can reduce lag, especially on low-end PCs or laptops. Now let's optimize Windows for gaming. Open Windows settings, then go to System, Display, and Graphics. Find Roblox in the list of apps, click Options, and select High Performance. This forces Roblox to use your dedicated GPU instead of integrated graphics. After that, search for Game Mode settings in Windows Search and turn Game Mode on. This helps Windows prioritize gaming performance and reduce background interruptions. Once you apply all these changes, restart Roblox and check if the FPS drops are fixed. Thanks for watching.